If you're tired of babysitting a robotic vacuum that constantly gets tangled in pet hair, or you're sick of emptying a tiny onboard dustbin every single day, you already know the frustration of owning a lower-tier cleaner. Upgrading to a modern automated system like the Roborock Q7 M5 Plus changes how you handle daily floor maintenance, offering high-end features without requiring a massive tech learning curve. The main problem it solves is constant manual upkeep. It combines a massive 10,000 pascals hyperforce suction with a dual anti-tangle system, featuring a jaw scraper's comb main brush and an anti-tangle side brush that actively prevents long human hair and pet fur from wrapping around the rollers. When it finishes a cleaning run, it returns to the RockDock Plus, which features a sealed 2.7-liter dust bag that holds up to 7 to 9 weeks of debris before you ever need to touch it. What makes it practical for everyday life is the precision. It uses PreciSense LiDAR Navigation to map your home in real time, creating efficient cleaning paths instead of blindly bumping into furniture. It handles a simultaneous 2-in-1 vacuum and mop setup with adjustable water flow levels, meaning it tackles fine dust and light surface stains in a single pass. Through the app, you can easily set no-go zones, schedule cleanings, or let it automatically boost suction when it transitions from hard floors to carpets. Things to consider before you buy. While the auto-empty dock handles dry debris for weeks, the physical mop pad still needs to be washed and changed manually, and it doesn't feature an auto-wash or hot air drying feature for the mop cloth like ultra-premium luxury models do. Also, because it relies on standard LiDAR and basic slot mapping rather than advanced AI camera obstacle avoidance, you'll still want to pick up stray phone cords or loose socks off the floor before a run. So who is this really for? This is a home run for pet owners, busy professionals, and anyone who wants a truly hands-off routine for daily dirt and hair maintenance without spending $1,000. If you have a massive multi-story mansion with thick, high-pile shag carpets everywhere, you'll eventually want to step up to a heavier-duty flagship model. Is it worth the money? If you want massive suction power, reliable LiDAR mapping, and a self-emptying base that frees you from weekly maintenance, it offers exceptional value. If this looks like the right fit for your home, I've left the Amazon link in the description. And if this review helped you out, please hit that like button, share it with someone who is tired of dealing with pet hair, and subscribe to the channel for more honest, no-fluff appliance reviews.